In this video, we will discuss basic questions from artificial intelligence and machine learning from probabilistic. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the primary role of probability theory in the context of handling uncertainty in AI? Option A. To eliminate uncertainty completely. Option B. To model and quantify uncertainty. Option C. To create certain outcomes. Option D. To ignore uncertainty in decision making. The correct answer is option number B. To model and quantify uncertainty. Question number 2. Which of the following is an assumption of the naive Bayes classifier? Option A. Features are irrelevant to the class variable. Option B. Features are highly correlated. Option C. Features are dependent on each other. Option D. Features are independent of each other given the class variable. The correct answer is option number D. Features are independent of each other given the class variable. Question number 3. What is the key difference between maximum post priori MAP estimation and maximum likelihood estimation MLE? Option A. MLE incorporates a prior distribution while MAP does not. Option B. MAP and MLE are identical methods. Option C. MAP estimates the mode of the likelihood while MLE estimates the mode of the prior. Option D. MAP incorporates a prior distribution while MLE does not. The correct answer is option number D. MAP incorporates a prior distribution while MLE does not. Question number 4. In the context of Bayesian inference, what does the likelihood represent? Option number A. The evidence for a hypothesis. Option B. The prior belief about a hypothesis. Option C. The probability of the data given a hypothesis. Option D. The updated belief after observing the data. The correct answer is option number C. The probability of the data given a hypothesis. Question number 5. What is the primary reason for using probabilistic reasoning in artificial intelligence? Option A. To ensure deterministic outcomes in complex systems. Option B. To eliminate uncertainty in data processing. Option C. To handle situations where the system lacks complete knowledge. Option D. To simplify AI models by removing randomness. The correct answer is option number C. To handle situations where the system lacks complete knowledge. Question number 6. Which type of uncertainty can be reduced by collecting more data or refining the AI model? Option A. Intrinsic uncertainty. Option B. Epistemic uncertainty. Option C. Aleatoric uncertainty. Option D. Data uncertainty. The correct answer is option number B. Epistemic uncertainty. Question number 7. What is a key characteristic of Bayesian networks? Option A. They are used for deterministic reasoning. Option B. They use directed acyclic graphs DAG. Option C. They cannot represent joint probability distributions. Option D. They eliminate the need for conditional probability tables. The correct answer is option number B. They use directed acyclic graphs DAG. Question number 8. What is the primary difference between correlation and causation in the context of causal networks? Option A. Causation and correlation are interchangeable terms. Option B. Causation implies direct influence while correlation indicates a statistical relationship. Option C. Correlation implies direct influence, while causation indicates a statistical relationship. Option D. Correlation is used in causal networks, while causation is not. The correct answer is option number B. Causation implies direct influence, while correlation indicates a statistical relationship. Question number 9. What is the primary function of probability theory? Option A. To quantify and manage uncertainty. Option B. To eliminate uncertainty in decision making. Option C. To predict future event with certainty. Option D. To define sample space. The correct answer is option number A. To quantify and manage uncertainty. Question number 10. In probability theory, what does the sample space represent? Option A. The probability of an event occurring given another event has occurred. Option B. The set of all possible outcomes. Option C. The measure of how likely an event is to occur. Option D. A subset of outcomes from the sample space. The correct answer is option number B. The set of all outcomes. Question number 11. What is the role of Bayes theorem in Bayesian inference? Option A. To eliminate prior knowledge in statistical analysis. Option B. To update probability based on new evidence. Option C. To define the sample space. Option D. To calculate the likelihood of an event. The correct answer is option number B. To update probabilities based on new evidence. Question number 12. Which of the following is an application of probability theory in AI? Option A. Database management. Option B. Data encryption. Option C. Compiler design. Option D. Spam detection. The correct answer is option number D. Spam detection. Question number 13. In the context of Bayesian inference, what does the prior probability refer to? Option A. The probability of an event after new evidence is considered. Option B. The probability of the evidence itself. Option C. The probability of rejecting the hypothesis. Option D. The probability of a hypothesis before new evidence is considered. The correct answer is option number D. The probability of a hypothesis before new evidence is considered. Question number 14. What does the likelihood represent in Bayesian inference? Option A. The probability of observing the evidence given the hypothesis. Option B. The probability of the hypothesis being true before considering any evidence. Option C. The updated probability of the hypothesis after considering the evidence. Option D. The total probability of observing the evidence considering all possible causes. The correct answer is option number A. The probability of observing the evidence given the hypothesis. Question number 15. What is the primary difference between maximum likelihood estimation MLE and maximum a posteriori MAP estimation? Option A. MLE aims to maximize the posterior probability while MAP maximize the likelihood function. Option B. MLE and MAP are the same and the terms can used interchangeably. Option C. MLE considers prior probability while MAP ignores it. Option D. MLE ignores prior probability while MAP considers it. The correct answer is option number D. MLE ignores prior probability while MAP considers it. Question number 16. In the context of Bayesian inference, what does the post-prior probability represent? Option A. The probability of the evidence given the hypothesis. Option B. The probability of observing the evidence. Option C. The updated probability of the hypothesis after considering the evidence. Option D, the initial probability of the hypothesis before observing any evidence. The correct answer is option number C, the updated probability of the hypothesis after considering the evidence. Question number 17. Which of the following is an application of maximum post priori MAP estimation? Option A, Bayesian learning. Option B, logistic regression. Option C, image recognition in AI. Option D, fraud detection in banking. The correct answer is option number A, Bayesian learning. Question number 18. What is the primary function of naive Bayes in context of email filtering? Option A, to classify emails into different folders. Option B, to automatically reply to emails. Option C, to encrypt email content. Option D, to predict if an email is spam or not. The correct answer is option number D, to predict if an email is spam or not. Question number 19. A Bayesian weather prediction. What does the likelihood represent? Option A, the prior probability of rain. Option B, the updated probability of the rain after observing cloudy weather. Option C, the probability of cloudy weather given that it will rain. Option D, the false positive rate of cloudy weather when it doesn't rain. The correct answer is option number C, the probability of cloudy weather given that it will rain. Question number 20. What is the core principle behind Bayesian inference? Option A, classifying data into distinct categories. Option B, predicting future events with certainty. Option C, updating probabilities based on new evidence. Option D, finding the most frequent data point in a dataset. The correct answer is option number C, updating probabilities based on new evidence. Question number 21. Which of the following is an application of Bayesian method mentioned in the text? The text we are dealing with probabilistic theory in AI. Option A is stock market prediction. Option B, autonomous vehicle control. Option C is image recognition. And option D is naive-Bayes spam classification. The correct answer is option D, naive-Bayes spam classification. Question number 22. Which naive-Bayes variant is most suitable for classifying text data based on word frequencies? Option A, Gaussian naive-Bayes. Option B, support vector machine. Option C, Bernoulli naive-Bayes. Option D, multinomial naive-Bayes. The correct answer is option number D, multinomial naive-Bayes. Question number 23. What type of data is Bernoulli naive-Bayes primarily used for? Option A, multi-class data with multiple categories. Option B, text data with word counts. Option C, continuous numerical data. Option D, binary feature data. The correct answer is option number D, binary feature data. Question number 24. In the context of naive-Bayes, what is a key assumption that is often considered a limitation? Option A, features are highly correlated. Option B, features are normally distributed. Option C, features are dependent on each other. Option D, features are independent of each other. The correct answer is option number D, features are independent of each other. Question number 25. Which of the following is a common application of naive-Bayes algorithms? Option A, data comparison. Option B, image recognition. Option C, time series forecasting. Option D, spam filtering. The correct answer is option number D, spam filtering. Question number 26. What is the first step in training and testing a naive-Bayes model? Option A, train the model. Option B, evaluate performance. Option C, choose an I-based variant. Option D, pre-process data. The correct answer is option number D, pre-processed data. Question number 27. What is the key characteristic of Bayesian network in modeling uncertainty? Option A, they use probabilities to model uncertainty. Option B, they avoid computational expense by simplifying models. Option C, they use deterministic rules to model uncertainty. Option D, they are inflexible and hard to adapt. The correct answer is option number A. They use probabilities to model uncertainty. Question number 28. Which type of probability distribution is used when outcomes are countable, such as rolling a dice? Option A, discrete probability distribution. Option B, exponential distribution. Option C, Gaussian distribution. Option D, continuous probability distribution. The correct answer is option number A, discrete probability distribution. Question number 29. Which probability distribution models the time between events in a Poisson process? Option A, binomial distribution. Option B, Bernoulli distribution. Option C, Gaussian distribution. Option D, exponential distribution. The correct answer is option number D, exponential distribution. Question number 30. In the context of medical diagnosis using probabilistic reasoning, what does P symptoms represent? Option A, the likelihood of symptoms given a specific disease. Option B, the probability of symptoms occurring in general. Option C, the prior probability of having a disease. Option D, the probability of a patient not having any symptoms. The correct answer is option number B, the probability of symptoms occurring in general. Question number 31. What type of probability distribution is best suited for modeling natural variations in data such as temperature readings? Option A, Gaussian distribution. Option B, Bernoulli distribution. Option C, binomial distribution. Option D, Poisson distribution. The correct answer is option number A, Gaussian distribution. Question number 32. What does the absence of an edge between two variables in a Bayesian network indicate? Option A, a direct influence of one variable on the other. Option B, causal dependence between the variables. Option C, conditional independence between the variables. Option D, a cycle in the directed acyclic graph. The correct answer is option number C, conditional independence between the variables. Question number 33. What is a key characteristic of a directed acyclic graph DAG? Option A, it is undirected. Option B, it represents uncertainty. Option C, it has no cycles, meaning you cannot return to the same node following edges. Option D, it contains cycles, allowing one to return to the same node following edges. The correct answer is option number C. It has no cycles, meaning you cannot return to the same node following edges. Question number 34. In the context of Bayesian network, what does a conditional probability table CPT define? Option A, the probability of a variable given its parent variables. Option B, the causal relationship between variables. Option C, the independence between variables. Option D, the probability of all combinations of variable values in a network. The correct answer is option number A, the probability of a variable given its parent variables. Question number 35. What is the primary purpose of edges in a Bayesian network? Option A, to represent conditional independence. Option B, to define joint probability distributions. Option C, to list probabilities in a table. Option D, to show direct influence between variables. Correct answer is option number D, to show direct influence between variables. Question number 36. What is a practical application of Bayesian networks mentioned in the text? The text we are dealing with Probabilistic theory in AI and ML. Option A, financial forecasting. Option B, medical diagnosis. Option C, social network analysis. Option D, weather prediction. The correct answer is option number B, medical diagnosis. Question number 37. What is the primary function of the enumeration algorithm in Bayesian networks? Option A, to transform a Bayesian network into a junction tree. Option B, to approximate probabilities using message passing. Option C, to find the most probable assignment in a network. Option D, to compute probabilities directly from the joint probability distribution by summing over hidden variables. The correct answer is option number D, to compute probability directly from the joint probability distribution by summing over hidden variables. Question number 38. In the context of Bayesian networks, what is the belief propagation primarily used for? Option A, computing marginal probability efficiently using local message passing. Option B, directly computing probabilities from the joint probability distribution. Option C, transforming a Bayesian network into a junction tree. Option D, converting a DAG into an undirected graph. The correct answer is option number A, computing marginal probabilities efficiently using local message passing. Question number 39. What is a key characteristic of the junction tree algorithm? Option A, it transforms a Bayesian network into a junction tree for efficient exact inference. Option B, it relies on direct computation of the joint probability distribution. Option C, it approximates probability using iterative refinement. Option D, it uses message passing from leaf node to root nodes. The correct answer is option number A. It transforms a Bayesian network into a junction tree for efficient exact inference. Question number 40. Which of the following is an application of belief propagation? Option A, medical diagnosis. Option B, genetic risk analysis. Option C, weather forecasting. Option D, error detection in communication network. The correct answer is option number D, error detection in communication networks. Question number 41. What is the primary reason for using approximate inference method in large Bayesian networks? Option A, to reduce the number of variables in the network. Option B, to overcome the computational intractability of exact inference. Option C, to simplify the structure of the network. Option D, to eliminate cycles in the network. The correct answer is option number B, to overcome the computational intractability of exact inference. Question number 42. Which of the following is a characteristic of Bayesian networks that necessitates the use of approximate inference? Option A, absence of cycles. Option B, small number of variables. Option C, large state spaces. Option D, linear dependencies between variables. The correct answer is option number C, large state spaces. Question number 43. What is the role of randomization in sampling method for approximate inference? Option A, to eliminate dependencies between variables. Option B, to estimate probability distributions. Option C, to simplify the network structure. Option D, to determine the exact probability distributions. The correct answer is option number B, to estimate probability distributions. Question number 44. What is the primary function of Monte Carlo methods in the context of Bayesian networks? Option A, to simplify the network structure. Option B, to approximate post-prior probability. Option B, to approximate post-prior probabilities. Option C, to eliminate the need of probability distributions. Option D, to find exact solution for post-prior probabilities. The correct answer is option number B, to approximate post-prior probabilities. Question number 45. In what type of applications is fast inference particularly important, making approximate inference method necessary? Option A, applications with limited variables. Option B, applications with small dataset. Option C, applications that requires complex calculations and fast responses. Option D, applications that do not require real-time analysis. The correct answer is option number C, applications that require complex calculations and fast responses. Question number 46. What is the primary goal of variational inference? Option A, to eliminate variables in a Bayesian network. Option B, to find the exact posterior distribution in complex models. Option C, to sample millions of data points to find the true distribution. Option D, to transform an inference problem into an optimization problem. The correct answer is option number D, to transform an inference problem into an optimization problem. Question number 47. In what scenario is approximate inference most suitable? Option A, when dealing with small data sets and simple models. Option B, when dealing with large data sets and complex models where exact inference is impractical. Option C, when exact inference is computationally feasible. Option D, when high accuracy is required regardless of computational cost. The correct answer is option number B, when dealing with large data sets and complex models where exact inference is impractical. Question number 48. Which of the following is an application of Gibbs sampling? Option A, designing computer hardware. Option B, inferring gene sequences. Option C, calculating exact probabilities in small Bayesian networks. Option D, predicting stock market trends. The correct answer is option number B, inferring gene sequences. Question number 49. What is the key difference between exact and approximate inference methods? Option A, both methods have similar accuracy and computational cost. Option B, approximate inference guarantees the optimal solution while exact inference does not. Option C, exact inference is more accurate but has higher computational cost than approximate inference. Option D, exact inference is faster but less accurate than approximate inference. The correct answer is option number C. Exact inference is more accurate but has higher computational cost than approximate inference. Question number 50. What is the primary purpose of structural causal models SCMs? Option A, to compute correlation coefficients between variables. Option B, to generate random data for statistical analysis. Option C, to represent causal relationships using structural equations and DAGs. Option D, to visualize data using scatter plots. The correct answer is option number C, to represent causal relationship using structural equations and DAGs. Question number 51. In the context of causal models, what does a confounder variable represent? Option A, a variable that is only affected by the dependent variable. Option B, a variable that affects both the independent and dependent variables. Option C, a variable that has no effect on either the independent or dependent variable. Option D, a variable that is not affected by the independent variable. The correct answer is option number B, a variable that affect both independent and dependent variables. Question number 52. What is the key distinction between observational probability and interventional probability? Option A, interventional probability involves actively changing a variable while observational probability does not. Option B, interventional probability is used for prediction while observational probability is used for classification. Option C, observational probability is used for prediction while interventional probability is used for classification. Option D, observational probability involves actively changing a variable while interventional probability does not. The correct answer is option number A. Interventional probability involves actively changing a variable while observational probability does not. Question number 53.
What do structural equations describe in structural causal models SCMs? Option A, how one variable influences another. Option B, the graphical representation of data. Option C, random variations in data. Option D, the correlation coefficient between variables. The correct answer is option number A, how one variable influences another. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.